Have you ever wondered how technology shapes the way we perceive the world? In earlier episodes, we explored how even the simplest tools, a piece of chalk, a dentist prop, or even a clock, can change the way we experience reality. So let's take a step further and think about scientific tools. Take the telescope. What does it do? It brings the heavens closer. Suddenly, we can see details that were once unimaginable. The surface of the moon, the craters, the mountains, things no naked eye had ever seen. But here's the catch. At the very moment the telescope reveals these new details, it also hides something else. The moon's place in the larger sky, its relationship with the stars around it, its distance, all of that begins to fade. This is the paradox of technology. According to Don Iden, the philosopher of technology, every tool shows us more, but also takes something away. It highlights some aspects of reality, but it also erases others. In other words, technology doesn't just help us see the world, it changes the very world we see. Now let's move to even more advanced technologies. Radio telescopes, space telescopes, imaging systems. Here things get more complicated. With Galileo's telescope, you could still see the moon with your own eyes. The telescope simply sharpened that vision. But with modern technologies, we can no longer see the object of discovery directly. Think about it. Distant galaxies, cells, microbes, viruses. None of these can be seen with the naked eye. They only appear to us through instruments. So here's the big question. What kind of reality are these instruments constituting for us? How is that reality different from the one our senses alone could give us? What is amplified? What becomes clearer? And what is lost, hidden, or erased? And there is more. Today's technologies don't just extend our sight, they also translate reality. Galileo's telescope still worked with the same kind of vision, just magnified. But now, data becomes numbers, waves, signals. Then, those numbers are translated back into images so we can understand them. Reality reaches us through a double translation. This makes the role of technology even more powerful. And while we don't yet know all the consequences, one thing is clear. Technology is never neutral. From the simplest tools, a clock, a chalk, a dentist's prop, to Galileo's telescope, to the sophisticated AI-driven machines of today, every technology doesn't just extend our perception, it reshapes it, creates new realities for us to live in. I am Ehsan Arzunchila, a researcher of technology, and I invite you to join me in exploring how technology transforms our sense of what it means to be human.